This video will introduce some application scenarios of washable clothing labels. You'll see how self-adhesive washable labels adhere to different surfaces, like fabric and plastic. This is sticked to the uniform. It is not easy to peel off after repeated washing. This is a sticker applied to plastic and ceramic cups. It can be washed off directly after application and is not easy to peel off. It can also be stuck on children's insoles. It can be used to mark children's shoes so they don't wear the wrong ones. If you're interested in washable name labels, clothing label materials, or adhesive solutions for uniforms and personal items, this video will provide clear and practical answers.